In MarkLogic 9, we're introducing TDEs, that's template-driven extraction. The general idea is that you have information that's in documents that you may want to see through a SQL lens or a triples lens. So you can do SQL or Sparkle or Optic over the data you already have in documents. Fayaz, you're the lead engineer for TDEs. You want to tell us a bit more about them?
Sure. So the main driver behind TDE was we wanted to enable the developer in a document-oriented model to take information from the document and project it into rows that go into relational tables and into triples. And we've added what we call templates, and a template is usually a small description of what gets extracted from a document and how it maps pieces of the document into rows and triples.
Okay. So when you say extracted, you mean it gets pulled out? Do we make a copy somewhere?
We don't make any new copies or any new documents. It's actually all the data that gets extracted goes into the index. And it's the template itself is part of the database transaction system. So the template, the triples and the rows that we extract are tied to the lifecycle of the document. So the minute you add a document, the triples and the rows are immediately available and queryable immediately.
Right.
And
but the document itself doesn't change, right?
No.
The document stays the same, and we just change
Correct.
the index.
Correct. You don't need to do any transformation on the document itself. Although the language, the templates themselves allow you to do additional transformation, but the initial documents remain intact, which
That's
is
very
great.
cool.
Yes.
That's
And
great.
it simplifies the problem of data provenance because the triples and it's where they came from. You know that they are associated with a document, and the rows the same way.
Great.
So
And because you associate the rows and the triples with the document, that means you can do queries across
Absolutely.
rows and triples and documents. It means the document security applies to rows and triples as well.
Right. So any permissions on the document or compartment security, all the security features that we have, they are inherited from the document and apply to any rows or triples we extract.
That's great. That's very cool.
Yes, it is.
So look for TDEs in MarkLogic 9 and hear all about it at MarkLogic World.